Hello, everybody, and welcome to my playthrough of Monster Hunter Wilds Part 4.
Oh, this is where we eat. Okay,
This
cool.
episode we do a little bit of farming, so I will be cutting out any monsters that we fight repeatedly because I just feel like I don't feel like I wouldn't want to watch like repeated hunts in one episode, and so I'm just not gonna put you through that. But if you like the video, like and subscribe. Follow me on Twitch and Kick at Mr. Stitchman if you want to join these
What do you
adventures
mean? You just
live.
told me to.
And I hope you enjoy the video.
I'll let you know when the next round's ready.
Alright, buddy. Alright, buddy. Alright, buddy.
Have you selected your weapon? Sounds like we're going to that village.
Uh, yeah. I hope someone there can help us.
How are you holding up?
I'm okay, I guess. So, does that weapon ever get too heavy?
Not really. I'm used to it.
I'm surprised you don't fall over backwards.
The support team's here.
Uh-huh. You know, we don't have felines where I come from. I couldn't believe my eyes the first time I saw one. So many things are new to me, and so many different kinds of people. I was so scared when I first reached the surface and it was nothing but sand. But after I met Alma, I wasn't so scared anymore.
So, what have you been into lately?
I really like... is it cheese? I tried it for the first time in your country. It was delicious.
Yeah, it's like
We'll have
it's
to
like a
scrounge
drug.
some up.
Thank you.
Let's talk again.
Okay.
Okay. Need to talk to Ferdinand.
Greetings, Hunter. I'm happy to inform you that we've laid the groundwork for our monster studies in this region. And we can always use the assistance of a capable hunter like you. Wink, wink, nudge, nudge. Here, take this field guide.
A Balahara. It's a Leviathan class. The small monster, or is that an actual monster?
It's for recording information about the monsters you encounter. Not that I need explain that to one such as yourself. You'll note that it's current. I took the liberty of filling it in based on your reports. Carry on then. I know you won't let us down.
Yeah.
Ready to go? Great. My village awaits. Okay then, ready to go.
Whoa, these are harder to handle than they look. How many sacred deer people have?
Lots of them, adults and hatchlings too. But training them is a lot of work. And only those who put in the practice can join the vanguard.
So then, Sato...
Yes, he leads the vanguard.
And we're gate crashing while he's away. What's not to like about this plan?
So, how did you know where to find us before?
I was on my way to your camp to give you the sacred when they picked up your scent. I didn't even have to find you. They did.
They really are clever.
I want one. This is the smartest Yoshi I've ever seen.
Greetings, brother. May we enter?
Greetings. I'll tell the elder you're here.
This way, friends.
Thank you very much.
Yeah, let's go.
Yeah, I feel like that's what they used to keep the monsters out.
What's that sound? It's so pretty.
That's the gem chimes. They keep the monsters out of the village.
It's
Oh,
almost like music.
Come on. What's all the fuss about?
Who's that? What's that on her back? That's huge.
I guess they really haven't seen a weapon before.
Oh my god, it's a dodo! Oh, it's a baby cigarette. Oh, it's so cute.
I'll tell my family to start getting everything ready for you. Do you mind waiting a little while?
Not at all. Actually, this might be a good chance to talk to the villagers. I want to ask them about Nata.
I'll have a look around. Me too. Me too.
Okay. We'll meet up later.
Shall we?
Boom. Boom with the bone, the bang, the bang.
Let's go.
Biggie, biggie, but the butter don't stop the boogie. Boom, the bone, the bang, the bang. Biggie, biggie,
The storm will be here soon.
Come in, come in. Don't be shy. The children have told me much about you. Sit, for we have matters to discuss.
Hello. Can we speak to the elder of this village?
She's right there, you dumbass.
I am she. Come in. Be welcome. I've heard how you saved Nona and Isai. Thank you.
We're just glad they're safe. Thank you for inviting us into your village.
I wish we could be better hosts, but the sand tide approaches, and we are busy readying for the storm. The sands come alive this time of year, like a wild beast bristling with lightning. Once your business here is concluded, you should find shelter.
Before that, we'd like to ask you something. Have you ever heard of a people known as the Keepers? We're trying to locate this boy's home.
Keepers? No, I can't say the name is familiar. But child, you're so young. How did you... Oh, forgive me. I should not ask such painful questions.
It's all right. Thank you so much for your time.
Talk to the woman tending the fire. We're talking about the fire out here.
Hey, look. What's that stranger carrying?
A waypone.
Hey there.
It can be dangerous.
You've never seen someone use wilk drops before?
Yo, Hunter, what'd you find? Hang on, what is this? How does it work? Can you show me?
It's called wilk. You just toss it into the fire.
Huh? Did you see that? It flared up like some kind of fuel. Definitely something strange about it, though.
Gonna help you temper
You
some
ready to head over to East
stronger
Side?
metals, maybe? Little sacred chicks are kind of cute.
We're ready for you. Come on inside. Please, come in.
Welcome.
Greetings. Thank you so much for inviting us. We're travelers from the West, my friends and I here.
Yes, of course. You help my grandchildren. Tell me how I can help, and I shall.
Welcome to our home.
Thanks.
Please, have a seat.
Thank you so much again for your warm hospitality.
It's the very least we can do. We hope you enjoy the meal we prepared.
Potato.
Alright, so what is up with these games
Fried
and just
fish.
making these eating scenes, like the food prep and everything, look so darn good, man. I got so hungry after this scene, it was abysmal.
Help yourselves.
Yes, yes.
You heard him.
They always make the food look so good in these games,
Special
dude.
kind of flour?
I don't know about special, but it pairs well with the beans.
Bro.
Thank you.
Cheesy fried bread, you're joking, man.
Nothing like home cooking.
Thank you for the delicious meal. We're very grateful. And when you were so busy, too.
Nonsense. We're delighted to have you.
It didn't feel right parting the way we did.
But what's this about an approaching sandstorm?
It'll be here before long, and we have to make sure the village is prepared.
I'm told that there's intense lightning as well as wind. It must be an ordeal.
Yes, but one that the village needs in order to survive.
Hmm?
What do you mean?
After the sandstorm comes the new spring, when life is restored to all the earth.
You can't mean the wasteland out there.
I do, and our patience is rewarded with a season of bounty.
I heard that Nata has been searching for his people, the brave child.
They're called the Keepers. Have you heard of them?
Oh, I wish I could say I have, but I have not.
You must miss your people.
I do. With all my heart. I don't know if I have a home left to return to, but I have to believe they're okay.
We sighted a monster with long, thick fur near the village.
That sounds like a Doshaguma. They never used to venture out of the forest.
There's a forest?
Yes, up the river and beyond the grasslands. We've been encountering Doshaguma a lot recently. They attack our livestock, so we keep them penned up here. Fortunately, the gem chimes protect us.
A bunch of ornaments make you feel safe?
Yes, you see, this region is home to a creature that even the Doshaguma fear. And it just so happens that the gem chime stones sound a lot like that monster.
And that's enough of a deterrent. Interesting.
Really? Monster that sounds like Gem
I
Chang.
suppose we'll take our leave now. Thank you for the wonderful food and company.
There's no rush for you to leave.
That's very kind, but we know how much preparing you have to do for the sandstorm.
Thanks for the grub. Best I've had in ages.
I feel more ready to hunt than ever.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Let's start heading back to base camp. So, what's next? Let's head to the forest. Right, and maybe we should look into the Doshagama while we're at it.
Smack up a Deshagama on the way.
But for today, let's rest. We can start our investigation fresh tomorrow.
Mata can ride with me. How about we meet up on the path to the forest and go from there?
Perfect. See you all tomorrow then.
Mission complete.
We should prepare properly before heading to a new area. Gemma and Nata said they'll catch up.
Yeah.
Mew. I'll have more ready for next time. Hello, cat lady. Alright, where's my handler? Alma! Over here? Oh.
Yes.
Free challenge. Event quest. Well, I can't even touch those.
Alright, here we do a little bit of farming. I wanted the Quematrice weapon and armor set, so the next 2 hunts will be me doing that, of farming up supplies and stuff like that. So I will be cutting those down to appropriate sizes, so you don't have to watch the whole hunts again. You just get like quick little snips, and that'll be it.
Let's have another hunt with no surprises today. Those supplies will help with this quest. Let's be sure to use them.
So what exactly can I snap claw? I can just snap claw items, dude. Oh hell yeah. Let's go. home.
Great job, partner!
Do 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 do. Often these spawn.
You keeping stuck?
Hmm?
So, what you need today? We're open day or night.
Interesting. Do I have like an Argosy type deal where I can send for supplies?
Check back in every now and again.
Alright, that should be the last we see of this walking fire chicken for a little bit. After this, I made all the equipment, as you will see here in a little bit, and then we start story progressing longer. And I think, yeah, so every monster that we will be fighting, if it's multiple of the same monster, I will just cut it out of the video. But you will see the first fight where I encounter the monster and fight it from the very first time. So at least you'll get that part. But every other, like if I fight Chupacabra again, I'll be cutting that out. If I fight Quematrice again, I'll be cutting that out. You'll get like quick little snippets so you don't get bored.
What are these?
got held up.
That's okay. We're all here now.
I bet the forest is so big it's got trees coming out of trees.
Like tree ninjas? Oh, triple gangers!
Did either of you get any sleep at all?
Come on, let's go!
So, I heard Astrum unit set out to the forest ahead of us to set up a camp.
Yeah, I heard the same.
These guys seem like they're always one step ahead. So, what do you think the forest is gonna be like?
Certainly it'll be a lot greener and more lush than the desert. We should see lots of herbivores. And where there's herbivores, there's what eats them.
Pointing at you, Doshaguma.
If there are people living in a place like that, I wonder what their way of life is like.
Once we're there, I hope I can help you more with the expedition.
Hey, there it is!
Wow! I think there are trees coming out of the trees!
Come on.
Why are you the only one walking?
Incredible. So much diversity.
Look at the size!
The water's red!
Why, though?
It'll be a fun mystery to unravel.
Over here!
None of this looks familiar to the kid?
So, the forest is full of symbiotic systems, involving the roots, leaves, flowers, and fruit. And it's the insect's job to pollinate. Oh. They have this fascinating process where they coat their bodies in the pollen, which is called...
You mind?
I knew you'd show up.
Glad we didn't disappoint. We'll give you a hand.
Thanks.
Wow, she's stronger than she looks.
So, Captain, what's your team been getting up to?
Please, call me Olivia. The Guild gave special assignments to some of the other units from the expedition. Mine included.
Wait, are you guys an ace team?
Let me introduce you. Eric, our biologist. Have you two met before?
Matt? Oh no, but I've definitely heard of him. He was famous back at the academy.
This forest is amazing. I am never leaving.
Anyway, over there's Werner, our engineer. Perhaps you've heard of him too? He's one of the big brains behind the Wyvern's fire technology.
Wait, what? We are so gonna talk later, pal.
So how'd your visit to that village go?
We were able to start a dialogue. No luck with the keepers, but I'm more concerned about something else now. Monsters called the Doshaguma have left their forest habitat and started venturing near the village. the village's only protection are these things called gem chimes, which they seem to think is enough, but...
What if we set up a pop-up camp and conducted an investigation into these Doshagama?
We've actually just found a site that would be perfect. I'll take you there.
Much appreciated. Thanks.
Come see me when you're ready to depart.
Thank you so much for watching the video. If you haven't already, like and subscribe. It helps the channel out immensely. If you want to watch these adventures live and just hang out, join me at Twitch and Kick at Mr. Stitchman. And I am loving this game so much. It is so good. Like, my goodness. I will see you all next time.